This video we are going to talk all about the MSI Bravo 15. Did you know the maximum sales of gaming consoles like a PS5 or Xbox has happened in the last 2 years during the COVID times? Everybody was stuck in their house and everybody wanted to do something creative. Either they started a YouTube channel or they started pursuing a hobby, and one of those hobbies were pursuing their gaming experiences, going through these options to buy more and more consoles, so much that it led to a silicon chip shortage. But now, when the world is open back, traveling with your desk setup or your gaming console might not be a possible option for you when you're going around and meeting people and going places. So, are you missing out on your games? Are you missing out on your gaming experience that you have been having throughout these years? Well, not anymore. The game enthusiast companies have come up with great devices and amazing laptops which helps to ramp up your gaming experience, your creativity experience, your content creation experience. The MSI Bravo 15 is one such great gaming laptop which was coming at a hefty price, making think all the users, all the buyers out there that whether it's worth buying a gaming laptop for such a high budget, or do we need to just get a PC which is comparatively going to be a little more pricier than that, but yet it's going to be much robust and much of a better user experience. Well, the problem stands resolved now. The MSI Bravo 15 is now even available at a much better price, and there are tons of reviews out there wherein it comes with a AMD Ryzen 5600H processor and a dedicated AMD Radeon 4GB 5500M graphics card. Now all of this builds up to the level of experience that you want to have on gaming, whether you have a Steam account that you want to play your best games on, or you have any of your other favorite games that you want to play all while you're traveling. While now you don't have to wait anymore for the time when you get back from your trips or travels, or for professional commitments where you're traveling outside, and you don't have to wait to get back home and then run all the way to your gaming console just to play the favorite games. The MSI Bravo 15 is built like a tank. It's not like any other common laptop. It has got a honeycomb venting system and it's built absolutely for professional gamers and enthusiasts who want to achieve the real experience, to that extent that the refresh rate on the screen is 144 Hz. It doesn't have an IPS display, but it's still IPS grade display. Another cool feature is it comes with 8GB RAM and a 512GB SSD on board. However, the RAM can be upgraded up to 32GB. The keystrokes feel amazing to play and it gives you amazing experience while you're playing your favorite games on it. The only two drawbacks that I could think in this price limit is it has only one SSD slot and it has only a limited battery life of 2.5 hours, which is going to be the only limitation that you might face. We will learn more in this video. Let's get started. Thanks for watching this video. If you did like this one, do smash the like and subscribe button. Stay tuned and bye for now.